guys, so today I wanted to do a regular everyday makeup routine for you. Our routines change regularly, so I figured it's about time to show you guys exactly what I do now. And actually I am running out of makeup as well. So first off, I am not a makeup artist. I don't know how to professionally do anything. I just kind of make it up as I go, and whatever looks good to me is it usually. So I do understand a lot of people do things differently. I know I'll probably do things wrong today to a lot of you, but by doing these videos I learn new ways of doing things from you guys. So feel free to leave comments down below and let me know what you think throughout the video. Last thing I want to say before I get this started is I am completely out of foundation. So my regular foundation is the Full Face Kat Von D Light Neutral 47 foundation, but there is some coming in the mail. I'm getting it Monday. So after taking a shower, washing my face, putting some witch hazel on, putting on some, like, you know, droplets and stuff, hydration, whatnot, I will use this Too Faced primer. They say you should always wipe things up so you're not like drooping your face, so we try. To compensate for my lack of foundation, what I've just been doing is putting some concealer here and there and spreading it out as much as I can, because right now I really don't care. Most important to me is just kind of hiding my different little acne scars and stuff. All I want is a solid base, just enough for me to put some good contour, some good blush on. Makes me look like I tried a little bit. Next, before I do my powder, I like to do my eyebrows, so I have some space to fix them. The only important thing to me is that my eyebrows look good. I could go a full day with just mascara on. Second most important thing is eyebrows. Just having like a little eyebrow fill, nothing crazy. And then third most important thing is a foundation, you know, some coverage on my face. But eyebrows, man, I love some good eyebrows. So this is just the cheap e.l.f. I've been using this forever. My eyebrow shade is the darkest one. Sometimes I like to mix a little bit, get some like little two colors going on in there. Sometimes makes it look a little natural. Just brush them out a little bit. Little concealer on a brush. So I'll use my finger as like a little palette there. And then we get that shape right. This I messed up a lot, but we're going back in there. Hey, not bad. As long as I look good from far away. So now I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way powder, and I just like shaking it upside down. Just gonna use that a little bit right there. This is actually where I like to use my beauty blender, because I feel like I can really press it in there and make sure everything is like set, okay? Pushing the powder where I need it the most. My nose sweats, man. I don't know, anyone else, if your nose sweats, let me know. And then we'll finish it off with a little brush through. Next, I like to go in with my Too Faced matte bronzer. I don't know why, just like, I think when I first really started getting into makeup was out here in Los Angeles like 3 years ago, really. And my friend took me to Sephora for the first time ever. I know, believe me, it took me a long time. And she introduced me to all the Too Faced products because they're all vegan, cruelty free, and you know, that's something I've always been about. And so I just started buying everything Too Faced, mainly. I do know that there was some drama with Too Faced. With the sister of the founder or something like that. Shook my world, and I haven't ordered anything new yet from Too Faced, but I might try out other products. So if you guys like another company's bronzer, primer, powder, stuff like that, please let me know. I'll outline my nose so it doesn't blend into my whole face, you know? And then just a little bit on my Cupid's bow, so my lips like pop out a little bit more, I guess. I did a brand deal with Focallure a long time ago, and it is all vegan, cruelty-free stuff. So I use their blush and I use their eyeshadow palettes, but I really like this color blush a lot. Put a little up here. You guys, I don't know why I went very long without it, but I just think it makes your face look so much more lively. And then I like to finish my face with the Jeffree Star highlighter, because his highlighters are so pigmented and so pretty, honestly. Which I also do know that they're was Drama with Jeffree Star and probably something else that I just used. Try to stay as up to date with Drama and stuff so I don't support the wrong thing. But I really count on you guys to be the ones to tell me. I am so out of the loop when it comes to beauty stuff. Not that I don't care, it's just not necessarily my world. Now, moving on forward, we're going to do my eyes. The other day I went kind of crazy and I did a like a fade, like glitter pink to purple with a deep purple on the sides, and that was a mood, and I know a lot of you guys like that. In my taking off my fingernail video, that's when I did that. Maybe I'll do like a tutorial for that, but I feel like everything I do is so basic that I don't see why I would have to explain it sometimes, but why not, you know? So today, let's do some pink, like, you know, let's just do some basic stuff. This is one of my Focallure palettes. This one is the number 2 soft power one. Again, had this for a long time. I actually, when I went to Michigan to surprise my fan who has alopecia, Hannah Hosking, love you, I stayed with my friend's like awesome childhood parental figure, and she wrote me a note and stuck it on here, and I just, like, that was just such a great experience that I'm just keeping the note on there. I'm such a sentimental person, like I gotta keep it. Okay, so we're just gonna open it up right here. Let's just do a little cute base of this, the desert sand. Oh, there we go. Let's do a little bit of that. I'm just going to do the side to about the middle, and then we'll just keep blending it out. I do understand, you know, a lot of tutorials start with the eyes first, so that you can then do your makeup like around that, and the eyeshadow, you know, isn't smudged or anything and whatever. I am like way too lazy to fill stuff in later. I just like, eyeshadow is usually the last thing I decide on, like outfit and day wise, so maybe one day I'll start doing my eyes first, but right now I really don't care. The darkest color that I just did, the deep coffee, and I'm going to put it right underneath, but only halfway, and then I'm just going to like lightly spread that out. Usually when I remember it, I'll use my Tarte Eyebrow Gel. Usually at some point in my routine I'll remember it, either right after I do my eyebrows or like way later. I always like a little shimmer on my eyes, so I don't know if you guys already knew this, but I usually use the same highlighter just as the glitter parts of my eye. I feel like that just kind of brings it full circle. Tap it right there. And we're going to just go like barely to halfway with it. I like when the centers are very bright, and then I like the slow fade to the dark. And then we'll do a little bit like the eyebrow. Makes my eyebrows look more excited. Now I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner in, I think this is just the darkest black. I have accidentally bought like non-matte liners and I absolutely hate them. Now I've been doing liquid eyeliner wings since I was in 8th grade, so I don't really have any tricks to this. I have a system, okay? So we're going to do our lids first, and then I'm going to try my best to match the wings. Sometimes they don't come out the same. It's never that noticeable, at least I don't think. Try to get as close to your eyelashes as possible. And if you mess up, just make them bigger. And I don't usually put it down too far because I cry a lot every day, and then it would really get in my eyes there. We'll just try to match how thin I did that one. I don't know why this eye is always so much easier to do. So this is usually the time that if I messed up at all and I made one side thicker than the other, then I would go back in and I just go back and forth until they look the same. Then, if I'm done there, I'll go in and I usually try to rest my elbow somewhere, so I'll either like hold it and do it and just try to get like as good as a line that I can, you know? Try not to get too crazy. Maybe build from a baby wing up, you know? I will use my NYX mascara. Usually the mascara is whatever, like wherever I am. So if I'm at Sephora, I might buy like a nicer cruelty-free mascara. I haven't found a bad mascara in a while. Like I'm usually pretty okay with my mascaras. We're just gonna go through and give a couple coats, you know, make the lashes look long. Do a little back and forth action on the bottom ones. Okay, not bad. So usually when I do my mascara, if my wings are perfectly in line or not, they always end up blending in. You know, adding mascara, that does so much. So today I'm not putting on fake lashes like I do sometimes for videos or you know, a date. Sometimes when I have those, but my lips do need a little help right now. So I have an array of lip glosses and stuff that I like to randomly choose from. I don't really like a colored lip too much, but sometimes I will do a little liner on my lips. This is from Evo Beauty, I think. This actually got from a Kinder box. I don't actually know what it's called. My mom got me the subscription for Christmas, and that was one of the best gifts ever because everything in there, all the beauty products, all like the facial cleansers and stuff that came every month, they were all cruelty-free vegan products, and this lip liner is actually made out of fruit. So we all eat everything that we put on our lips, usually throughout the day. Not to gross you out, but like that's real. So why not have it be made from fruit? You know? It makes you feel a little better, huh? I love that it matches my lips anyways, so it's nothing too crazy. It's very, very natural, very neutral. I'm pretty sure they do come in other shades. I haven't had to buy one yet, but I cannot wait to support, you know, more with my dollar. So now we have a ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. Blend out the liner. I'm trying to remember. I'm like, did I forget anything? Because now I'm like nervous. And there we have it. Here is my everyday beauty routine. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any advice, any brands you think that I should look into, please comment them down below. Feel free. Yeah, comment below some tips and stuff so I can learn, you know, and maybe you guys learn something from this too. I don't know. It's so weird. I feel like everyone does makeup so differently. And, you know, at the end of the day, it's whatever you want it to be. You know what? That's your face. It's your life. If you guys like this video, if you like me, make sure to click the subscribe button below and click the thumbs up if you haven't. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, God, everyone's like gonna yell at me. They're gonna be like, Hannah, you do everything wrong.